Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego City Arctic set 60376 from 2024 to 2025, and it's the Arctic Snowmobile Explorer. As you can see, this is the full build. You get two beautiful seals with a big seal and a baby seal, and you also get this fish as well, and also you get only one minifigure in this set, and she has this beautiful video camera. And this will also make a nice Arctic Explorer addition to your Lego City display. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My contact info is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.